It is very simple. Money that you bring into the business is capital employed. वो पैसा जो आप बिजनेस में लगाते हो that is capital employed. एम्प्लॉय का मतलब क्या है? लगाना. एम्प्लॉय का मतलब क्या है? लगाना. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड का मतलब क्या है? वो कैपिटल जो आपने बिजनेस में लगाई. कौन सी कैपिटल आपने बिजनेस में लगाई? Is equity only capital that you put into the business, or debt also is the capital that you put into the business? Debt also is the capital that you put into the business. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड का मतलब है all the long term sources that you put into the business is your capital. Is your capital? Can't hear you. Is your capital? Employed. So money that you put into the business is capital employed. And what does it comprise of? It comprises of two components. Component number one is equity, and component number two is long-term liabilities or non-current liabilities. याद रखिए, you call it long-term liabilities or you call it non-current liabilities, both mean the same thing. So how do you calculate the capital employed from these numbers? Everybody should not take you more than 10 seconds. Everyone. 32,000 is the correct answer. Yeah, because what is capital employed? All the long-term sources put together. Long-term source का मतलब क्या है? Equity. Long-term source का मतलब क्या है? Non-current liabilities. So the total of the current, non-current liabilities and the equity put together is your capital employed. Now, what is investment? How do you define investment? Very simple.